Unforeseen circumstances or unexpected disasters occur, it's important to have emergency preparations in place. That's where Augason Farms with emergency preparedness meals come in, and President Nathan Yearsley is joining me now. Nathan, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Of course, it's wonderful to have you in. I mean, this is such a crucial topic right now, especially. Why is emergency preparedness such a vital objective for families right now?
When something happens, let's not talk about the fear stuff, the fires or the earthquakes. Let's just talk about the unforeseen events, injury, illness, job loss. When something happens, you may not have food resources. The fact is, you're going to be hungry, your children are going to be hungry, your parents, whoever you care for, they're going to be hungry. Yeah. And if we prepare with food that is designed to last a long time, you'll have what you need when it's time.
Yes, and how is Augason Farms doing this and helping people prepare for these unforeseen circumstances?
So we have curated basically anything you want in our little augusonfarms.com grocery store. We've curated about every kind of food that you would want: fruits, vegetables, casseroles, baking products. Wow. We've curated all of those things so that we can fit your palate or your dietary restrictions. And then we have put it in high quality food with high quality packaging so that it will last. In the case of a pouch, will last like 5 years. In the case of the cans, 25 or 30 years. So you can buy it and it will last a long time.
Yeah. I mean, you know, as far as some of these that we're referencing right here in front of us, what are some of these categories that families can choose from? I'm seeing all sorts of things here.
Yeah. So it's fantastic. We have kits where we've already curated a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is a 3-day kit. We have pancake mix, we have baking products. So this is eggs, but we've got milk over here. We have vegetables. We have examples of the fruit here.
Yeah.
Casseroles, protein like chicken and that kind of thing. We have almost everything. Even for the gluten-free or the vegan, we have black bean and rice. We have the black bean burger. We've tried to care for everyone.
Wow. Yeah. And, you know, as we're seeing this, how does this work exactly? So somebody opens this up. I mean, we're seeing some of these sort of dried goods in a sense. Yeah. You know, does water need to be added to it? How does this work?
Water, and in some cases, heat. For instance, you would take, for our pancake mix here, just to use this one as the example, you would add water, blend it up. We've already got the dried eggs. We've got the dried milk. We've got everything you need. You blend it up, but it's going to take heat to cook your pancake.
Right.
In the case of the casseroles, creamy chicken and rice, it's fantastic. You're going to add water, simmer it to get it to the consistency you like. I think it needs a little salt and pepper because for dietary needs, we have to keep it a little low on that side.
Right.
But you're going to season to taste and you're good to go.
Yeah, and you know, as we mentioned some of these as well, you actually have some really cool options here. I mean, there are some things that somebody can sustain on for quite a bit of time. What are those?
Yeah, so this is designed, FEMA says have at least 3 days. This is in a grab bag, just grab it and go, and you're good for 3 days. I brought this one that's
oh, look
right
at
here.
this thing.
All right, this is 7 days. This is 1 week's worth of food for one person. We also have a 30-day pail that is in like a 4-gallon, 5-gallon pail. Again, airtight, watertight. It's not going to get contaminated in the event of a disaster. But we have those, and that is 30 days worth of food: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and some desserts in a 30-day pail. It's fantastic. If you need something and you want to have, I want to take care of my family, you can do it at a 30-day increment or a 1-week increment, whatever the budget allows.
Nathan, this is incredible. Now, you're also on the board of directors for the Disaster Recovery Coalition of America.
Yes.
How does that experience tie into your role as president of Augason Farms?
I became interested in them because they did not have anybody from the food space represented. And the fact of the matter is, when you look at the disasters in Florida and North Carolina and California recently, the complaint was, well, FEMA didn't have anything for us. They have food, but it's not close, and it may not be what you need. So we joined in about a year ago, and we're still working through. Next week in Washington, D.C., we are meeting, discussing how do we make this happen, and most effectively, how do we pre-stage food? Working with Hawaii, working with people in the South. How do we get food into warehouses so that we could deploy food? But it's going to take, because of the disaster, it's going to take 3 or 4 days. That's why you need a bag like this or a pail like this. And then you have to assume that they're going to have the food that you want.
Right.
You can do this yourself. Half of our customers actually eat our food regularly, and they just keep replacing it because it's good and the ingredients are clean ingredient lists.
Yeah, well, Nathan, thank you so much for joining us this morning. I mean, you're truly transforming this landscape all the way up until DC, so thank you so much. For more information and to order your emergency preparedness meals, visit AugasonFarms.com.